schedule again.
We're gonna have to see if it calms down a bit.
It's a goose. Oh my.
You can't really tell. Yeah, we're stood right underneath it.
That, yeah. That duck. Where's your mum? Is she going to view park? Yeah. Well, you finish it then tomorrow then.
Can't.
Right, the camera is in the bag.
Oh my god, it's cracked.
And it's hailstone in.
It actually is. Right.
Badly.
Can you see it? Oh wow, look what it is.
Yeah, it is. Yep. So, our filming has been rescheduled until tomorrow.
We knew this stuff.
We did. Yep. Cut!
Hello?
Hey, we just finished recording, and it went pretty well, didn't it, Matthew?
I guess so, yeah.
You guessed
it went alright.
Yeah.
Well, the only thing that was bad was the rain, which half the time was doing right in, but
Yeah,
apart
we
from
got
that,
through it then.
it was
didn't we?
great, yeah.
Yeah, we got through it. But yeah, hopefully we're gonna go home tonight and edit it, and then it should be done by our deadline. When's deadline? Friday. So, right, okay. Going from McDonald's now, aren't we, guys?